Clarito to Lemeti. Launches from deep. That might be the dagger.
Felix Alexander Pangilinan Lemeti. Grabe tong player na to, buo ang loob. Si Felix ay isang Phil-Swedish, 6'1" guard, 25 years old. Rookie man pero veterano na yung galawan, matalino maglaro. May experience na internationally dahil sa European Basketball Tournament sa kaniyang bansa.
PBA, Felix Alexander Lemeti.
Nakasungkit si Coach Yeng ng GEM sa 2024. Draft pang 8 player sa first round, kasunod siya ng kanyang kakampirin sa Rain or Shine ang big man na si Kaylan Tionson bilang pang-7 picked.
This rookie, as he found himself
Wow. Oh, what a brave attempt there coming from Lemeti.
Lemeti, the rookie.
Walang kaabog-abog. Ipinasok lahat ng 4 free throws na pinasabit niya kay Chris Ross, the veteran point guard, and one of the best defenders. Nanalo ng 2X Defensive Player of the Year sa mga nagdaang PBA Awards. Nagulangan yung 39 years old na si Ross sa last 3 seconds. Alam na ifa-foul siya ni Ross para mag 2 free throws dahil penalty both teams. Ayaw ng SMB mag 3-point play ang Ross, especially 4 points for the win. Pero wala, nadayle lang ng Malakaway Leonard ni Abay Junimar Fajardo, ang 8-time MVP ng PBA, game-winning 12-footer.
to Junmar for the win!
Sabi pa ni Junmar, tsamba na lang yon, both humble players. Deserved the win. Napangiti na lang si Coach Yeng Guiao sa winning buzzer-beater shot. Natalo man, still number 1 sa Group B standings, 4 wins and 1 loss.
Launches from deep. That might be the dagger.
Rain or Shine suffered its first loss in 5 starts in the season. Pinakita ng Rain or Shine na contender na sila o team to beat this conference. Wala nang super team sa kanila, papalag kahit kaninong team. Kumpleto na ang timpla ng pintura, tapos na ang adjusting and rebuilding.
That might be the dagger.